Stop scrolling. This video can change how you see money forever. If you want financial growth, if you want control over your money, if you want to stop struggling and start building, then watch this video till the end. Because the most powerful money secret will be revealed in the final stage of this video. Before we begin, check the link in the comments. I have written a practical ebook that shows you how money really works, in simple steps you can apply immediately. Now, focus.
The truth about money was never taught in school, not because it is complicated, but because most people were never meant to understand it. From childhood, we were shown only one path: go to school, get good grades, find a job, work for many years, and hope the salary is enough. But keep watching, because the biggest lie in this system will be exposed later in this video. Nobody taught us how money really works. Nobody explained how wealth is built. Nobody taught us how the rich think. Here is the first truth. Hard work alone does not create wealth. Hard work without direction creates exhaustion. Many people work harder every year, yet their financial situation never improves. Why? Because income is not wealth. A job gives you money, but ownership builds freedom. A salary can pay bills, but it rarely buys time. Money is not the goal. Freedom is the goal. Control is the goal. Peace of mind is the goal. Remember this, because it connects directly to the final secret you will hear later.
Another truth nobody told you. Saving money alone will not make you rich. Saving is important, but saving without investing is slow. Inflation reduces value. Life gets more expensive, and time works against idle money. The wealthy understand this. They invest money. They let money grow. They use time as an advantage. Most people spend first and save what remains. The wealthy save and invest first, then spend what remains. This habit alone separates wealth from struggle. Keep watching, because the final secret explains why this habit works so well.
Here is another truth. Your biggest asset is not your job. Your biggest asset is your mindset. If you think like an employee, you will always depend on income. If you think like an owner, you will always look for opportunities. Employees trade time for money. Owners build systems that generate income. Time is limited. Systems can scale. This mindset shift is critical, and later in this video, you will learn the one mindset change that unlocks financial growth. So stay with me.
Most people were never taught financial education. They were taught academic education. But knowing mathematics does not mean knowing money. Financial education teaches how money flows, how income multiplies, and how wealth is protected. This is why many smart people struggle financially. Information matters. That is why I created my ebook. The link is in the comments. It breaks money principles down in clear and practical steps. But do not leave yet, because the most valuable lesson is still ahead.
Another painful truth. Emotions destroy money. People buy to impress, spend to feel important, and borrow to look successful. But wealth is built quietly. The wealthy buy assets, not liabilities. They ask one question: will this decision help my future or delay it? That question protects their wealth. And later, you will see how emotional control connects to the final secret. So keep watching.
Here is a truth most people avoid. Nobody is coming to save you. Not the government, not your employer. Your financial future is your responsibility. Once you accept this, everything changes. Responsibility creates power, and power creates freedom. Keep watching, because the final stage of this video shows how to use this responsibility correctly.
Wealth is not built overnight. It is built through small decisions, repeated consistently. Learning one skill, building one income stream, investing regularly. Time rewards discipline. But most people make one mistake. They wait. They wait for the perfect moment, the perfect plan, the perfect condition, and that delay costs them years. The final secret explains why starting now is more important than starting perfect, so stay till the end.
Another truth. One income is risky. The wealthy build multiple income streams, skills, businesses, investments. Security does not come from jobs. It comes from knowledge and leverage. And that is why learning matters. That is why books matter. That is why my ebook exists. Check the link in the comments. It was written to guide you from confusion to clarity. But stay with me, because the most important lesson is coming next.
Here is the secret nobody taught you. Money follows value. Not effort, not struggle. Value. The more value you create, the more money flows to you. Jobs limit value. Skills multiply value. Businesses scale value. Once you understand this, money stops being confusing. You stop chasing money and start attracting it. This is the truth that changes everything.
If you watch this till the end, you are serious about your future. Now do not stop here. Click the link in the comments and get my ebook. It will help you apply everything you just learned step by step without confusion. Like this video, subscribe to King of Wealth, and turn on notifications, because on this channel, we do not chase money. We build wealth, we build knowledge, and we build freedom. Comment below what lesson changed your mindset today. This is King of Wealth, and your wealth journey starts now.